Welcome to Bonds News, your global window into current affairs. A rare celestial event is on the horizon as 6 planets Mercury, Jupiter, Saturn, Mars, Uranus, and Neptune prepare to align in the skies. This planetary parade promises to be a visual delight for sky watchers, offering a stunning display of our solar system's wonders. Scheduled for 3 June 2024, the optimal viewing time will extend over several days before and after this date. Planetary alignment occurs when planets appear to line up in a straight or nearly straight line from the viewpoint of an observer on Earth. This alignment will feature Mercury, Jupiter, Saturn, Mars, Uranus, and Neptune, treating sky gazers to an extraordinary sight. According to the Indian Institute of Astrophysics in Bangalore, Jupiter will initially be closer to the Sun, but Mercury will gradually take its place as the week progresses. However, observing these planets near the horizon before sunrise may be challenging due to their proximity to the Sun. During the alignment, Saturn will shine prominently in the eastern morning sky, appearing yellowish, while Mars will be positioned below with a reddish hue. The crescent moon will also make an appearance, enhancing the celestial panorama. Approximately 20 minutes before sunrise is the ideal time to observe Jupiter and Mars, with Mercury positioned less than 10 degrees above the eastern horizon. Uranus and Neptune, being fainter, may prove elusive to the naked eye, while Venus will be too close to the Sun for observation. Contrary to common belief, the planets will not appear larger than usual during this alignment. Instead, the alignment results from the planets' orbits being roughly in the same plane, with slight inclinations from Earth's orbit known as the ecliptic. This cosmic event is expected to be visible from various Indian cities, provided the skies remain clear before sunrise. Setting an alarm to witness the planetary parade each morning this week will offer an opportunity to marvel at the wonders of our solar system in motion. Thank you for choosing BGN channel. Stay tuned, like and subscribe.